Hey guys, it's Nvme. Today we're going to be putting a September gaming PC together. I was lucky enough to win the Newegg shuffle. I got a 3060 Ti LHR edition with a B550 motherboard. So we're going to be pairing that with a Ryzen 5 3600, 750 watt power supply, 16 gigs of RAM, and a 500 gigabyte WD black Nvme drive. So we're going to put the CPU in, and there should be a triangle that lines up. There's a triangle there and a triangle here, so we just put it in this way. Slots in. Make sure it's in there, not jiggling around. And boom, that's in. So I just put a Windows USB in there because the Nvme is not bootable. There we go. It's posted pretty quickly. So we've got this Montech case. It's got 4 RGB fans in it, and we're going to put the motherboard in it now. We've got Windows installed on it, and it's a beautiful computer. I'm going to move my little keyboard here. We're going to open up this side panel. You can really see the glory of it. So much RGB. Can't handle RGB. Thank you for watching this video. If you've liked it, hit that like button and subscribe to the channel, and stay tuned for more PC content.